In this video, we are going to share investment plans and strategies for students, unemployed people, or people with limited budget for investments. If you see my last video, we have explained you how to make profits with dollar cost averaging and constant dollar plan. And now we are here to guide you on how to do this through Binance Exchange. Yes, there is an amazing feature in Binance which makes this possible. It's called Auto-Investment Plan. This plan helps you to invest small amounts in many cryptocurrencies as per your choice for a monthly basis, just like any other systematic investment plan. The biggest advantage of this system is that you can start investing from a minimum $1. So let's go to our computer screen. Now we have come to the Binance website. If you want to, you can do the same on the Binance app. Before starting, make sure you have a minimum of 1 to 5 USDT in your Binance wallet. Here I have around 19 USDT. For example, if you want to invest $5 every month, so you must have 5 USDT in your wallet for every month. Then we move on to the Auto Invest section under the Earn tab. You get this feature even on the Binance app. The Auto Invest plan helps you to invest on different crypto on a monthly basis, which eventually saves your time and effort. Here you will see 63 different coins to invest on, and you get their ROI for different time frames. If you see, the ROI for BTC is around 66.7%, and for BNB it's 1153.54%. So by not wasting more time, let's create our plan. Here you can click on the Add Coin button. I will give you the top 5 coins which is best for investment right now, starting with BTC, BNB, ETH, Matic and DOT. You can see up to 10 coins if you want to. Then just confirm it. Now, if you see, it's asking the amount which we want to use for investment. We will trade with 10 USDT here. You can start with the minimum of 1 USDT also. So with our investment, we need to give percentage for each coin selected, as minimum should be 10%. We have 5 coins, so I will give 20% each. If you want, you can give different percentages which should add up to 100%. This percent is of the 10 USDT which we are investing. Moving on, you need to pick options of use flexible balance. This basically means if in the future your balance is low for investment, it will sell all the investments and start the cycle again. Then you can see the cycle. If you want, you can choose daily, weekly or the monthly option. We will go with monthly and select the date and time of the month. Tick the checkbox of agreement and click to confirm. And it's done. Our plan is activated now. This auto investment plan will buy the mentioned coins for you every month with market. It will average your profits in the form of an investment. If you want, you can create multiple plans for other coins as well. Now you can see the My Auto Invest plan, which will show all details related to your plan. It will show you everything from estimated positions to total profit and even ROIs for each invested coins. If you see the edit option here, it allows you to change your amount and percentage. If you are thinking to increase your investment amount, you can do it. Or if you want to change the date of your month, you can also do that. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Let's Capitalize. See you in the next one.